Channel once again, and today we're gonna be showing you like how we can delete this and the DB migration in MySQL. So in the last video we seen like how we can add the to-dos. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing that delete option. If you see on the click of this button, we're gonna follow one route and we will just set that into the ID and it will delete that. So just create one function into the views.py. So just go over here, def delete to do and make a request. Okay, so just find the to do with the ID. So we will also receive the ID over here, ID. So just make that ID. Okay, so just find that to do from here. So first find that to do from the to do equals to do from the pk equals to ID. Okay, so in Django we check the ID with the primary key, so it names with the primary key. It saves the key is the name of pk like primary key, so that's where we're gonna check like that, and after that so dot delete. Okay, so if we make it delete, so it's gonna be deleted automatically, and after that we can do this all the things same. Okay, just need to create one URL over here, path delete comma, just import that function delete to do and delete to do, and okay, now this one to do and just name it equals to delete to do and name this one add to do. Okay, and now it will follow this path and it will go over here into the views.py and it will delete that one. So just go into the index.html, just we need to follow that part. We will create this button as a tag, so just Ctrl D, not D. So just remove the type of button and this button into a tag and make this one as well a, and just make this URL like href equals to this, and after that just follow the route slash delete slash dot id. Okay, so to do dot id gonna be, so I think it's fine. So let's go into the urls.py and just after that expect that id over here. So I'm just going to expect that ID. So let's see it's gonna work or not. So it will remove that one or not from the list. Okay, so just reload the page, go in, remove that ad and just go into the default route. Okay, it's loading as it is, and if you see now it feels like a button, and if I click on it, so you can see that has been removed. Delete 2, delete 3, delete 4, delete 5, delete 6, so everything is getting deleted. So now what I have to do, it's getting deleted, like everything is getting deleted from here. Okay, and now if I will add something from here, so you can see again if I do something and if I add it, so it's getting added. Okay, so it's getting deleted. So it's working on the route base, like whatever the route you are hitting, URL you are hitting, so it's a kind of monolith app, so you are directly hitting the URL and it's deleting, then it's come back to you. So that's kind of thing is happening over here. So in the most of the cases you should not do, like it should not go into the URL. Let's suppose if you are on the default page. Okay, so in the default page, if you are on this page and if you click on this, so you should not change this route, you should directly hit that path and delete that thing and update the DOM. So that how we're gonna do that. For doing that thing, you need to make the XHR request from the this HTML files. Okay, so after doing that XHR request, it will make a fetch API call and it will follow that path and it will delete that and it will automatically redirect back to you on this route. So that kind of thing gonna be happen. So that I'll show you into the next video. But in this video there's one thing more that I'm going to show you, like how we can migrate that SQL DBs. So let's do this. So for doing that, what we need to do, we need to install some packages for that. So let's just stop the server and just to pip install PyMysql. Okay, so you can see PyMysql has been installed, and after that we're gonna do pip install MySQL client. Let's see, so you can see all the things are installed properly, and now after that go into the settings.py. Okay, and over here and you need to do just remove this one MySQL. Okay, and now remove that base directory name and all the things. So I'm just going to comment this out right now because we can use it later. So just host you're gonna be localhost. I'm just going to go and put 1.7 0.0.1. okay, and port, so port gonna be 3306. After that username gonna be root, password this is my password. Okay, and one more thing, like name, DB name, so database, so let me check that one. So it would be like, let me create one database over here. So let's go into that, just close this and go into the local DB. It's opening. So let's me create one more database over here. So okay, so just apply. Okay, so we have one more database over here with the name of Todo, so just add that name over here. And also if you want to check out this documentation, so you can go into the Django docs. Okay, just go into that. So supported database MySQL, go into MySQL and you can see all the MySQL things from here. And now you need to do setup. So for setup you can. Okay, so we need to do one more thing after porting this one, so we need to do this as well, and after that so you can see the server has been started now. Okay, so we have unapplied migrations right now. Okay, so we don't have migrations currently, so what we need to do, we need to migrate it again because we have changed right now. So python manage.py make migrations. Okay, no changes to directions because migration file is already there, so it's just we need to write migrate, and all the migration has been applied. And if you go into your workbench and if you refresh it, okay, just refresh it and open your tables, to do tables and all the things, you can see you have the auth user migration and to do web migration. Okay, so everything you have now, but you won't see any data inside of that one, so that we're gonna do now. So just start your server now. Okay, and just hit the routes document and just reload this page. Okay, so we don't have anything right now. Just go over here and add the something. Okay, and again add something, okay, and let's check the MySQL workbench and just click on chart, and if you see we have some data. Okay, so we have ID and data as well. Okay, and if you want to make the query into this SQL, so to do app, and you just go where name equals to this. Okay, and let's do this. Okay, it's throwing error because it's a string, so let's make this a string and control V, and now if you see, so you will see you have found the data according to that. So that's how we can do, and it's very easy to do that, no issue. And I'll also push the code, so don't worry about that one. So in the next video, what we're gonna do it from the XHR request. We will always be on this page, only on this page, and we will do the CRUD operations, like we will add, delete, read, and update, and all the things. Also, we're gonna add the update thing into that one, so that I'll show you, because we need to do something more interesting. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video.